welcome back. This is Stephanie, the Chief Experience Officer. Today, let's discuss how does Flosmore FL01 work. Once you get a good rhythm, Flosmore FL01 couldn't be easier to use. The steps below will help you to get most out of it. First, connect the reservoir with the machine body and fill the reservoir with water. Select your desired type and put it into the unit. If this is the first time you've used the flosser, you will want to set the pressure control due to high and point the tap into the sink, and then turn it on until the water begins flowing like this, and then turn it back off again. This will help you avoid getting water everywhere until you get used to the flow. Begin with the lowest pressure from setting the DIY mode. Lean over the sink. Place the tap in your mouth and turn the unit on. Let the water flow from your mouth into the sink, making sure your legs are closed to prevent splashing. Move the tip of the water flosser all along your teeth, gums, and the gum line until you feel like they are squeaky clean. When you are finished, turn the unit off and use the eject button to remove the tap. Okay, that's all. There is nothing complicated or complex about using a water flosser to achieve a deeper, more efficient clean. Well, if you have other questions about the water flosser, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for your support and see you next time.